Do is um, go to text score over here. Then we are going to add, no, not this one. Oh, thank you, Siri, again. And we are going to actually go to global variable. We have, I think so, we have made the global variable. I just forgot about that. And we are going to choose set text here, yeah. So now what are we going to do? We are going to use this columns. We are going to write score over here, and colon inside this, and a symbol of and over here also a score with the sign of an earth. Okay, and we are going to do done. Okay, so I wanted the score to be doubled by 2, so I have kept it like that, and that's just amazing. We have got a beautiful we have got a beautiful game over here. But also the main thing should be added, right? That is high score. So again, we are going to event sheet and select global variable. Add a global variable high score, and then okay. Also global number 0. Okay, fine. Then high score again, like we have to go to every tick and add an action. And I don't think so text. Okay, before that we have to also add the text, right? And over here, double click, find text. Okay, and over this text we have to write high score. Done. Okay, now we are going to go to event sheet, add an action. Then okay, this text is not changed, I think so. Let's go again, mistake, but it's changed, right? Okay, fine. Let's again preview it. I hope it works. Okay, let's try it again now. Go back. Let me actually keep them properly. And now let's try it again. Add an action. Why is it not changing at all? My gosh. Okay, I'm just sorry a lot. I just forgot to change the text over here. High score. Done. Yeah, done again. I'm over here. Okay, one sheet. Add an action. High score. And in the high score, we are going to choose again set text, and in the set text uh, we are going to again write high score, name it high score, same like the global sign, and done. Now add an event, and then go to system and choose compare variables. Okay, compare variable, and we want that score should be greater than the high score. Okay, that's what we wanted. So done. Now then choose add an action over here, then choose set value, and before that add an action, choose system, set value, over here, set value to score. Okay, just set value to score actually. What is happening? Okay, fine. Score done. And go to everytick I mean, and then choose high score, and then write that. Okay, choose high score over here. Then what do we need to write is, go to everyone, choose high score, then high score, like that. And we need colons actually, colon high score again, like, I'm sorry, not colon, like, okay, colon, yeah, no, not a colon, abbreviation, whatever. I'm just very nervous if this would work or not. This was, and again the same thing as the score and the high score, like that. And we are done. Now let's start if this game would work. Please God, make the game work. Oh, okay, this is working. Thanks God. So now let's see. Now again, this game like is little bit different. Like, I don't know. Like, there's some um there's some like problems also. I don't think so. What are they? But I will try to improve it, because sometimes the high score does not reset, and the scores also would be the same, and we don't want that, right? So I will try to improve it. And thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, share, whatever you can do it. And thanks for watching again. Bye bye. Goodbye.